Good morning from another dog walk location. The colours of autumn are peeking through the greens of the evergreens over there. And the sun is just behind the shoulder of the hill there. I'm so lucky to live in a location with miles and miles of endless dog walking and personal walking opportunities. Apart from the sound of a car on the road and the odd chirp of a bird, it is idyllic. Some snow just on the top of the hills there. And you can hear a little lunatic. He's off. Right, have a great day. Bye bye.